If a and b are any two numbers, then we have the identity a plus b the square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Why it is so? Because it is a formula, it is an identity. The algebraic proof of this identity is very simple. We have a plus b the whole square is equal to a plus b into a plus b. A plus b whole square is equal to a plus b into a plus b. Then using the distributive property, multiply a plus b by this a. So we have a plus a into a plus b into a. Then multiply a plus b by this b. We have a into b plus b into b. A into a is a square plus b into a means ba plus a into b means ab plus b square. This is equal to a square plus ba is same as ab. Commutative property of multiplication. AB is equal to BA. Commutative property of multiplication. Commutative property. So we have a square plus AB plus AB is 2AB plus B square. So a plus B whole square is equal to a square plus 2AB plus B square. Now let us prove this identity using geometrical method. For that, I am drawing an arbitrary line here. Let it be A and the remaining part is B. So if I am able to prove the identity for this A and B, it should be true for all the numbers since it is arbitrary. Now I am going to construct a square with sides A plus B. Roughly this is A plus B. This is A plus B. And so four sides are equal, A plus B. So each side is A plus B. So the area of the square is A plus B whole square. Area of the square that we know, if a square is having a side A, then its area, side A means all the sides are A, then its area is equal to A square. That we know. And a rectangle having sides A and B, then its area is A into B, length into breadth. Area of a rectangle is A into B. These two things we already know. Now I am going to divide this square. So this it is A means this is also A. The remaining part is B. So I am drawing a line here. So this is B, this is A, this is also B, this is A, this is B, this is B, this is B, this is A. So now I have divided the larger square into two squares and two rectangles. Then area of the total square should be equal to sum of these for one square, two square, three rectangle, four rectangle. So we have already written here that the area of the total square having side A plus B is A plus B whole square. That will be number one. Now I am going to find the area of each square and rectangle. So area of this square is a square having side A. So area of that square is A square. So this is A square having side B. So its area is B square. plus. Then we have two rectangles with sides A and B. So its area is AB. Here, similarly here we have a rectangle with one side A and length B. So its area of the rectangle is again AB. So we have A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus AB plus AB. That is A square plus AB plus AB is 2AB. 2AB plus B square. So we have A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So this is the geometrical proof of the identity.